वाले करोड़ों भारतवासियों के दिल में रहने वाले राष्ट्रनायक भारत के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी हमारे बीच पधारे हैं। तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के साथ स्वागत करें हमारे आदरणीय भारत के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का। जोरदार हाथ চাপৰে আমি উষ্ম আদৰণি জনাইছো আমাৰ সকলোৰে অতি মৰমৰ আদৰৰ ভাৰতৰ মাননীয় প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী শ্ৰী নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী মহোদয়ৰ। এতিয়া আমি বিনম্ৰ অনুৰোধ জনাইছো অসমৰ মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী শ্ৰীযুত সৰ্বানন্দ সোণোৱাল মহোদয়ক আমাৰ আদৰৰ ভাৰতৰ মাননীয় প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী শ্ৰীযুত নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী মহোদয়ক परंपरागतভাৱে आदरणि जनाबोले। हम निवेदन करते हैं असम के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी से कि वे हमारे प्रिय भारत के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का अभिनंदन करें, स्वागत सम्मान करें। एखनी गामोचा जापी उसी के साथ दा पर्वतिया मंदिर के ध्वज के चौखट के भग्नांश से जो तेजपुर के कुछ ही किलोमीटर दूर है, शायद असमिया मूर्तिकला के प्राचीनतम एवं उत्कृष्ट नमूने हैं। इसकी नक्काशी गुप्तकालीन मूर्तिकला वैशिष्टताओं को दर्शाता है। इस दो पर्वतिया मंदिर का एक पेंटिंग भेंट किया गया है हमारे आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को। तो विश्वकर्मा जी से कि वे स्वागत भाषण प्रस्तुत करें।
সকলো ভালে আছে? সকলো ভাল? সকলো ভালে আছে তো? মোৰ লগত সকলো একেলগে কব ভাৰত মাতা কি। অলপমান শব্দ কম হৈছে, মোদীজি আমাৰ সন্মুখত আছে, ঊৰ্জা বহুত পাব লাগে। একেলগে কব ভাৰত মাতা কি, ভাৰত মাতা কি, ভাৰত মাতা কি। বহুত বহুত ধন্যবাদ। ভাৰতৰ সন্মানীয় প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী আমাৰ আটাইৰে প্ৰেৰণাৰ স্ৰোত আৰু বিশ্বৰ এক মহান নেতা ভাৰতৰ সন্মানীয় প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী ডাঙৰীয়া, অসমৰ সন্মানীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী সৰ্বানন্দ সোণোৱাল ডাঙৰীয়া, অসমৰ হৈ কেন্দ্ৰত আমাৰ জনগণক প্ৰতিনিধিত্ব কৰা ৰামেশ্বৰ তেলী ডাঙৰীয়া, ভাৰতীয় জনতা পাৰ্টিৰ ৰাজ্যিক সভাপতি ৰঞ্জিত দাস ডাঙৰীয়া, মোৰ সতীৰ্থ মন্ত্ৰীসকল, সাংসদসকল, ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় সাধাৰণ সম্পাদক দিলীপ শইকীয়া ডাঙৰীয়া, ঢেকিয়াজুলি সমষ্টিৰ বিধায়ক অশোক সিংঘাল ডাঙৰীয়াকে আদি কৰি মঞ্চত সমবেত মোৰ সতীৰ্থ বিধায়কসকল আৰু আজি এই সভাটো।
Well, the state minister there, Himanta Biswa Sarma, they are welcoming the Prime Minister, also the Chief Minister of the state who is present there on the dais along with him, and talking about the contributions that will be made today by the central government to the state of Assam today. Piyush, just keep on talking to us, because on the economic progress and improving connectivity has been this time's agenda of the Prime Minister's visit to the state of Assam.
Well, absolutely, very important visit to the state of Assam also, Amita, where right now we are also getting the pictures of Prime Minister reaching there. He, along with Himanta Biswa Sarma, who is also Cabinet Minister of Assam, and also Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, they all are present there at the stage. Right now, we are also seeing as to how he's being welcomed by the people there in the state of West Bengal. Many developmental projects are there on which PM Modi is now going to focus there, and we have seen seen as to how PM Modi is now, focusing basically only on the agenda of development. Every time, on almost every weekend, we have seen how PM Modi goes to some part of a country where he announces a few developmental projects. Not only in Assam, he is going to do the same in West Bengal, in Haldia, where 4,700 crore rupees projects will be dedicated to the people of West Bengal. Before that, he is there in Assam, where he will be, going to announce many developmental projects. Remember that top leaders of BJP are already present there. We have also seen as to how Congress party there in the state of West Bengal has, the state of Assam has also, termed this visit of PM Modi, ahead of the polls and calling it a political visit. But we have always seen Prime Minister Modi going there and announcing such projects, not only in Assam but also in many parts of the country. What BJP believes is that at one side, opposition is saying that ahead of elections these projects are being announced, but BJP is now saying that it's the Modi government which will be completing its term, in 2024. Before that, it's Modi government, central government's projects on which the PM Modi is focusing on. But what the state governments have done, they have done nothing. If we talk about the kind of budget which was also released by Mamata Banerjee in West Bengal, that was a poll gimmick, because just ahead of elections we have seen as to how a slew of measures were announced by Mamata Banerjee, which is certainly indicating towards trying to woo voters. But certainly, if you talk about PM Modi's visit and his developmental push, every time he does that, he goes to some part of the country on almost every weekend and announces a slew of measures. On every Sunday, we have also seen PM Modi talking to people across the country via Man Ki Baat, where he shares his thoughts also on the concurrent issues across the country. But today's visit to Assam is very crucial visit, very important visit, where at one side the top leadership of BJP, including Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, and also other leaders are present there. PM Modi is also there. We also saw when PM reached there, he was also welcomed by the people there in West Bengal. So in Assam, now we'll have to wait and watch as to how the day pans out. But indeed, the visit to Assam and West Bengal is going to be very crucial one.
All right, so it's all the development, the Vikas project that the Prime Minister has been aiming at ever since his government came to power. And if we talk about the state of Assam, we are expecting that the Prime Minister will be beginning his address in a short while from now. But tell us more on the development projects today that will be inaugurated by the Prime Minister there, Piyush, because two important hospitals, their foundation stone, that will be laid by the Prime Minister, and modeled on the lines of Bharatmala, the Assam Mala is also a project which is aimed to improve at least 890 kilometers of the state highways and construction of the major repair works across the districts, across the roads at the cost of nearly 8,200 crores.
Well, absolutely. These are the developmental projects on which PM Modi is now going to focus on. Remember that he is going to inaugurate two hospital projects, and also in the financial budget, the government had also announced big projects, big highways connecting these states from the national highways. So what we are also given to understand is that these are the slew of measures which PM Modi is now going to announce. Developmental push will be there in Assam, and right now the pictures are also coming where he's there on the stage. He's also to address to the people of Assam, and after this he will be coming to West Bengal, where he will be dedicating 4,700 crore, more than 4,700 crore by the developmental projects to the people of West Bengal. But right now he is in Assam. He will be addressing shortly to the people there in Assam, and the top leadership of BJP, including Chief Minister and also Cabinet Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma is there. Sarvanan Sonowal is there. PM Modi is also seen there. So after talking to the people, he is going to also inaugurate these developmental projects. After that, he will be coming to West Bengal, where there are another development push programs, projects are lined up.
All right, Piyush, we will be